brand new Otis Gen3s at Avani Hotel. Mooloolaba. Very smooth. I'm actually pretty impressed by these. 1,600 kilograms, 21 persons. Otis store equipment? Oh no, I can't tell. Cab. Very bland cab, but still nice. Got, can't tell if it's pixel technology screen. Oh, that's Witcher. Is that? Can't tell. There's an air freshener that sprays stuff on the ceiling. Oh yeah, there it goes again. That's the express one. This one goes. Oh no, this one also goes to all floors. Rear door on this one. We'll just go to 3 and down. Oh. No, that's locked on that side. Can't tell if they're actually witter doors. I think they are. I don't know. Really hard to tell. Really? Does ground not work on this?